Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. I have explained about the plan, source, make, deliver, and returns in my previous few videos. In today's video, I would like to share about the enable process. Let's look at those enable processes and exactly what makes them so challenging and so important in your supply chain. Let's begin. You can basically describe what a supply chain does by explaining plan, source, make, deliver, and return. But in order to do those things in a supply chain, it needs to be built on top of a solid foundation of other processes inside of a company. The last group of processes in the SCORE framework is called enable. Enable is really a bucket for all of the other things you need to make a supply chain work, but that don't really fit nearly into the first 5 groups. I'll share the 7 specific processes that I think a company should include as they implement supply chain management. First, most of our supply chain processes rely on information system. So, managing information technology is a process that enables your supply chain. We also rely on people. So, human resources management is a supply chain enabling process too. When we make changes to a supply chain, we do it through projects. So, our project management processes are a part of enable. How we make decisions about what the business will do. Our business rules are all part of the enable process. Identifying your risks and developing mitigation plans can have a big impact on many supply chain decisions. Yes, risk management processes should be included. Also, asset management processes can play a big role in supply chain performance, especially when maintenance and repair cycle have an impact on your supply chain's capacity. Contracts and legal processes impact the supply chain too. For example, your contract process can determine how long it takes to onboard a new customer or new supplier. There may be other processes in your company that are also critical enablers for your supply chain. The key is to recognize that each of these set of processes fall within or across different functions in your company. But if they impact how your supply chains perform, then they help to enable your supply chain. It is common for companies to overlook enabling processes. By recognizing the need to align these processes with the rest of your supply chain, you will be building a stronger foundation for implementing supply chain management in your whole company. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell. Every week, I will make a video like this to share with you guys here so that you don't miss any of my sharing. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.